We always aim to improve the quality of slider products and provide our customers with innovative solutions. This year we have created a system that was so much awaited by our customers. We have created the Fero Air partition system that could be effectively used both as a partition in offices, residential and other spaces, or as an interior sliding door. Fero Air is decorated with a beautiful vertical line profile of 11 mm thickness, with a variety of refined colors: silver, white and shiny champagne. We have created the design focus line, in example, an elegant handle available in two different lengths, 170 mm and 250 mm, that performs the opening function and ensures the integrity of the entire system as well. An innovation, a 3D adhesive decorative profile enabling the creation of diverse patterns without splitting the material. Fero Air attracts attention due to visual design and modern technical solutions. Dimensions of a single door of this particular system could reach 3.5 meters height and 1.7 meters wide. Fero Air structure does not contain the bottom roller, and the upper one could be installed in 3 different ways: fixed to the ceiling, concealed into the ceiling, or fixed with the help of a special purpose profile to the wall above the opening. Fero Air system has been created by paying an ultimate attention to internal engineering solutions. All fastening elements are concealed in profiles, thus the system does not have any visual connection points. The last but not least advantage of the system is an opportunity to install door interconnection and pull mechanisms, enabling smooth closing of all doors at once by pulling only one door. Fero Air is a system that the most conceptual interiors deserve.